Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Claude to Roblox Studio. So let's get started. But first, let me get straight to the point. So basically, you cannot directly connect Claude to Roblox Studio. So we use a simple workaround, that is copy paste method. So you're gonna go to Claude AI website and type in what you want. For example, create a Roblox Lua script for a coin collection system. And then copy the code Claude gives you and then open Roblox Studio. And then you gotta head over to the specific experience that you're creating. And over here at the right side under the Explorer tab, you'll be able to see script service. So you gotta expand this and make sure that you are within server script service. If you're not able to find server script service, so you can simply search for the simple script service and expand it and then click on script over here. And then you gotta paste that script down over here and then run it. So you cannot directly connect Roblox Studio with Claude, but you can use Claude to generate scripts for your Roblox Studio. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.